Understanding, grinding my gears, a phrase explored. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase in the English language, grinding my gears. This phrase is not only popular but also a great example of how colorful and expressive English can be. So, let's get started and explore what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Grinding my gears might sound a bit mechanical at first, and that's because it is. This phrase originates from the world of machinery and automobiles. Imagine the gears in a machine or a car. When they don't work smoothly, they grind against each other, causing friction and noise. This imagery is used metaphorically in the phrase to express frustration or annoyance. It's like saying something is causing you as much irritation as hearing the harsh sound of grinding gears. In modern times, grinding my gears is commonly used to express personal annoyance or irritation, usually in a somewhat humorous or light-hearted way. It's a way to vent about things that irritate you, without being overly aggressive or serious. For example, if someone says, "Loud eaters are really grinding my gears," they mean that the sound of loud eating is particularly annoying to them. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. It really grinds my gears when people don't arrive on time for meetings. 2. The way he always interrupts me is grinding my gears. 3. Traffic jams on Monday mornings are always grinding my gears. Notice how the phrase is often used to start a sentence, highlighting the annoyance before explaining the cause. Interestingly, the phrase gained more popularity from its use in pop culture, especially in television shows like Family Guy. In these contexts, it's often used in a comedic or exaggerated manner, which has helped spread its usage among a wider audience. This highlights how language evolves and is influenced by media and culture. And that's all on the phrase, grinding my gears. We hope this video has been informative and adds a fun, expressive phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expression and culture. So, keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language. See you in our next video.